Hey everyone, I'm Dina and I'm here to share with you a few highlights about the reversible rain poncho from B Boutique. These ponchos come in an array of different designs and each design is reversible, featuring a design on each side for 2 looks in one. So again, this is a great multifunctional piece type for the girl on the go. And what's really great about this piece is it's easily portable because it folds into its own front pocket. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I like to fold up my poncho for the go. So I like to flip it over on the side that has the pocket. And I usually just fold these little sides in over here. Fold it over so that am facing the pocket side. And if you simply unzip this pocket here, you basically just gather all of the fabric and you push it inside the pocket. And this zipper allows me to go ahead and close that up. So you'll see once it's folded into its pouch shape, it also has a nice little strap over here, which is great for attaching this to a bag, like if you were hiking or a backpack. So again, this is a great multifunctional piece type for the girl on the go.